This is my review for the FORTEM portable tire inflator. So this is to show you the packaging real quick. So this is what it would come in. Also has this little package here, and then it has this little cable here that you can plug it into an outlet, and then you would plug this right here. I would plug that in over here. So this one is plugged into my car. So it has the typical cable that plugs into the electrical part where you like put a car charger, put that in, and then it plugs in here. You can plug that over here. So anyways, this is the battery tire charger, not the battery charger. So it's pretty nice. Has a little LED light there, a little light right there, and then you can press the minus, so you can see it says PSI. If you want to change the measurement, you would just press this button. To be honest, I don't know what each of them means, but I just use PSI. So if you're not sure, like me, just use PSI. And then 35 is around the average, tire PSI where it has air. So you're good with that. So then this is what you would use to, of course, put it into the tire. So you'd want to just take this off. Sorry that I fumbled with my words a few times there. This is not scripted. You want to put this in here. You want to pull this up. And then you just want to plug it in. And then I'll show you. There you go. So usually once it kind of snug in there, that's not moving, you would press this down. And then of course you can see here mine's at 33 because it has air already. And then you'd want to turn it on right here. It also has a flashlight there. If you don't want the flashlight, this way is no flashlight, this way is flashlight. So the two little lines is flashlight, this is no flashlight. As you can see, it's and there, it turned off at 3:35. So that's it. And then you just take it off. And that's pretty much it. It's not difficult at all. Just don't forget to put these tiny little caps back on because you don't want to lose any air. And if you have any questions, check out the listing and hope this helps you out.